Bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui c'est mercredi le 12 septembre and we did a few things in my pre-AP class. First of all, let's go back to this. We did our warm-up. What subject pronouns go in the blank? Look closely at the endings to the ER verbs. This will tell which subject pronoun will go in the blank. And we reviewed that our endings are very, very closely tied to our subject. It has to. So if it's an ES, then this should have been, you guessed it, tu. And then Madame Pique, blank aimait de la musique, do you like music? And since it's easy, this should have been, wait for it, vous. And so forth and so on. So we did this together. It took about 5 minutes or so, and that was it. All right, so we did that. Let me go back to the, yeah. All right. And then we finished filling in our interview questions. All right, I believe we left off with qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? So, and I told you to use your t-shirt activity. If you remember that you had put your favorite food there. So I'm going to answer, and I'm going to say, j'aime manger, let's see, j'aime manger, le chocolat noir. Okay, so that was my food that I like to eat. And then we said, qu'est-ce que tu n'aimes pas manger? What do you not like to eat? And so I put, whoops, je n'aime pas manger. I had a lot of things. I think I put les champignons, which is mushrooms. All right. Then we continued and we answered the question, comment es-tu? What are you like? And I told you to look at your adjectives from your t-shirt activity. So, je suis, I am, and then we put our adjectives. I put, je suis petite, and then intelligente, et, and then I wrote sociable. I mean, not sociable, sympa, which means nice. Okay. Then we talked about how we needed to write two things that we do on the weekends. All right, so le weekend, I'm going to change it from earlier today. It doesn't really matter. Je regarde le match de football à la télé américain. I meant to put américain. Hang on. Le football américain à la télé. Et je vais à l'église. I go to church. Hang on a second. Je vais à l'église. I meant to put in, okay, there we go. À l'église. There we go. All right. Then we talked about things that we don't do on the weekends. And I had put that you needed to write 3, but then when I saw the paragraph, I noticed I only put 1. So write 3, and then you can choose 1, 2, or do all 3. It's up to you. So what do you not do? Let me see. What do I not do? Je ne fais pas de la fanfare. Second thing I don't do. Je ne joue pas au foot. I don't play soccer. I don't ever play soccer, but whatever. And the last thing is je ne, my brain has stopped. Je ne fais pas les courses. There we go. I don't go grocery shopping. Okay, so that's all we did there. We filled in our sheet. And then, once we filled in the questionnaire, then we took our sentences and we put them in the form of a paragraph. And we used our connector words, okay? Remember the connector words that you copied down or that I gave you in the list, or maybe we copied it down, on page 2 of your notes. So we titled our paragraph Je me présente. We did this on a loose leaf sheet of paper and then we turned it in. So basically, you just read through the paragraph and then you do what I did, except replace the stuff that I have with your own stuff. So, bonjour, je m'appelle Olympique. Greet the class, say what your name is, just like on your questionnaire. Et j'ai 51 ans, so your age. Mon anniversaire est le 13 juillet, birth date. De plus, which means, and more so, or more, even more, je suis de Louisiane, where I'm from. My adjectives, je suis petite, intelligente, et sympa. Notice I have my connector words, de plus, et. J'aime beaucoup lire, one activity I like to do. Mais, but, connector word, je n'aime pas faire les courses. I don't like to run errands. Je n'aime pas manger du sushi, one food I don't like to eat. Par contre, on the other hand, j'aime beaucoup manger du chocolat noir, one food I do like to eat. Then the weekend stuff needs to be its own paragraph. Le week-end, je regarde le football américain à la télé et je vais à l'église le dimanche. 2 activities you do, and that's what I just did. Mais, but, je ne fais pas de planche à roulettes. 1 activity you don't do. Now, this isn't the same activity I put in my questionnaire, but that's okay. All right, because I did this paragraph a long time ago and I forgot what I put. And then you end it, merci de votre attention. Thank you for your attention. À bientôt. See you soon. All right, so the words in blue are the transition words you can use or look on the list I gave you. The words in dark green are required, meaning a form of greeting and a form of goodbye. The phrase avant d'aller au lycée is optional, and actually I even took that out of the paragraph, so I'm taking it out now on that. So this will be on my webpage for under notes and activities for French 2 pre-AP. I'll have it there under new stuff, so you can pull this up if you need to look at it. So that's what we did. We finished filling in the questionnaire, we wrote our paragraph, and then we turned in our paragraph on loose leaf paper so that I could look at it. When you write the paragraph, make sure you skip lines, but I want it to look like a paragraph. So don't just do one sentence on one line, skip a line, then another sentence. Do it like a paragraph. All right, thank you, merci.